Packdown at the end of the race is fairly up to the crew. Myself and Chaz, we have our little A-trailer here where our race gear is kept, so our job's obviously making sure all our dirty, sweaty race suits are in their washing bags, all our helmets are put away, and that area is tidied up at the end of the weekend.
End of Bathurst race day, we are generally probably pretty knackered from the end of the day, so we'll get all our gear back together, and then we'll hang out with the guys as they're packing up, and then hopefully at the end of the night we can all catch up and talk about hopefully a good result, and if it was a bad result then we'll all get to still hang out together anyway.
5 days we're here at the track setting up on Wednesday, but then really the race starts after the race. We've got 3 or 4 hours to pack the trucks. If you're lucky enough to have a good result like we did in 2021, you come back on the Monday, car goes into scrutiny and you can get some stuff in the truck. But really you want to get the truck packed Sunday night, on the road Monday morning and back to the workshop in Clayton.
We bring the same amount of equipment to Bathurst as we do to every other round. So the boys have a very methodical way of packing the trucks. There's a lot of equipment in there. You could probably rebuild the cars 2 or 3 times if you needed to. So there's actually a lot of time between the race finishing and then the actual crew getting out of the track.
Yeah, it's really cool to have NCI Insurance backing us up on the road. I know our truck driver feels really safe behind the wheel with obviously NCI backing us. I think the cars look great with the branding as well, but also for me, I'm a truck driver's son. Come from the trucking industry and know how important this brand is to all the truckers out there and companies as well.
Bathurst, you definitely squeeze every last little bit into the truck. Take as many spares as you can. See a lot more on-track running. So as we know, the mountain, anything can happen and it bites. And when it bites hard. So every bit of spare we can possibly fit in the truck, we do. And then obviously it's a fuel race as well. So our fuel rigs, all our fuel drums, everything like that. So there's not much room in there.